Assalamualaikum and good day. We are from Group 5. We would like to present video project of Highway Engineering subject. Our group members is Danish Zaidan bin Azhar, which is me, Farisha Afrina, Nur Syuada binti Azman, and also Aiman Hakimi bin Razali. First, we start with the introduction. Distresses such as permanent deformation, fatigue cracking, and moisture failure can be encountered on the pavement due to environment condition, and the most important is traffic loading. A pavement, also known as a road surface, is a durable surface material that is laid down on a surface to support vehicle or traffic loads. The state of the pavement has a huge impact on how green transportation structures are. It is crucial to research pavement behavior and situation so as for the pavement produced to satisfy the overall performance desire mounted while it becomes first design. The Pavement Condition Index, which is PCI, is a simple, convenient and low-value approach of tracking the nation of avenue surface, figuring out renovation and rehabilitation wishes, and making sure that avenue renovation expenses are spent wisely. PCI is decided to incorporate surface distress, ride quality, rating faulting, and dominant distresses, since every of those parameters describes as a special side of pavement performance. And also the knowledge is definitely accessible through existing data gathering. We move to literature review. This project will examine and evaluate bendy or flexible pavement screw-ups so as to devise maintenance. The dedication of a pavement's country is vital in figuring out the kind and diploma of the restore that the street must get, with the intention to provide the perfect degree of provided to car traffic. To pick the exceptional remedy approach is far important to assess and discover the reason of failed pavement. Based on earlier enjoyed and literature review, systematic tips for comparing broken pavement are given is if you want to offer significant statistics for preservation operations. For example, in Sudan, complete area paintings turned into perform and on the prevailing pavement circumstance of a road. Major cracking and rutting failure was discovered in the majority of the damaged pavement conditions. Fatigue failure of the pavement structure as a result of the movement of a heavily loaded truck and trailer could have caused these incidents. The PCI test was used in another research study in Kabul, Afghanistan, to determine the extent and magnitude of flexible pavement distress, as well as the cost of repair. The major intention is to assess pavement restore and preservation remedies, the uses of statistics from all overall performance record.
There are three objectives for this project. First, to assess the state of the road in Jalan Seramik Cepur 11/2, Cepur Perak that has been chosen. Second, to detect the sort of road defect that occurs over a distance of 1 kilometer. Third, to determine repair procedures and make recommendations to increase the pavement's durability. For methodology, there are 4 steps that we use. First, we need to choose the location of study area. Next, we need to choose the road with most failure. After that, we need to classify the road failure. Last but not least, we need to calculate the Pavement Condition Index. In order to calculate the PCI for a unit, first, calculate the deduct value. Second, determine the maximum number of deductions that can be made. After that, determine the sample unit's maximum corrected deduct value. Last but not least, calculate the Pavement Condition Index.
Data analysis. We use the Pavement Condition Index (PCI) method to identify the condition of the road. We choose Jalan Seramik Cepur 11/2 as the place to conduct this analysis. The roads are divided by 10 sections with 100 meter length and 4.5 width. This is map overview for Jalan Seramik Cepor 11/2 for 1 kilometer. And this table show analysis from the raw data for section 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and their PCI value and road condition. The conclusion that we can get from the raw data is the average PCI value is 46.4. For the PCI value, we can observe that the road pavement is in a poor condition. Based on the rating PCI value of 46.4, this road has a level of service LOSD, and this pavement need a major rehabilitation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman Hakimi bin Razali, F100147. So I will present about the discussion, the culmination, and the conclusion. So based on our project, we found our PCI, which is Pavement Condition Index. The average is 46.4, which is really bad. So I think we need routine major rehabilitation or defection only to increase the PCI. In the worst case, there can be severe distress below the pavement with no visual sign of distress. So I think this is really dangerous. So I think other testing and inspection method should be used to quantify the specific pavement condition. So the factor that result in this fracture are pressure from loads, temperature change in road layer, and excess moisture content. Cracking on the road cause the user of this road uncomfortable through the road. When this damage get worse, it will invite the road incident. So I think major rehabilitation activity such as removing and replacing the wearing course in the pavement should be done to increase the value of PCI. Road maintenance also is essential as it acts as a preventive to road structure so that the condition will not affect by the pavement distress. So for the conclusion for this project, the purpose of this project is to determine the distress of the pavement and the pavement condition index. Several types of distress of pavement such as alligator cracking, bumps, and longitudinal cracking, block cracking, and depression found in this road. So this is because due to the increasing number of the load that using the road such as bus, lorry, or others, which is highly affecting the distress of the road. So the distress of this pavement of this road need to be maintained to avoid future damage to the road and increasing the cost of maintenance. Thank you.